Hi everyone, this is Sobia Mustafa and I hope you're all doing well. Today I will be creating a look with Bonanza Satrangi Top Face makeup line. It's a beautiful addition to our makeup industry and I'm actually very excited about it. I hope you guys also like it.
Well, I'm going to start with this Top Face Primer Oil and massage it into my skin. It's an amazing product for dry and sensitive skin types to provide a natural radiance appearance. I'm using it to prep my skin before moisturizer. It sinks into my skin and makes everything look so smooth, soft and supple. However, if your skin is already oily and you do not want it to be dewy, then you can skip this product. Well, now this is Pure Touch Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 20 long wear hydration. And well, it looks lovely on its own. People, especially those who do not want to wear foundation, can always use this as it has a very creamy texture, lightweight product, and it gives you a very sheer and natural look. अक्सर लोग जो है वो फाउंडेशन नहीं यूज़ करते फॉर देयर एवरीडे मेकअप, सो उनके लिए मैं बहुत हाईली रिकमेंड करूँगी बिकॉज हमारे पास बहुत कम ऐसे ब्रांड्स हैं जिनके पास आपको टिंटेड मॉइस्चराइजर की चॉइसेस मिलती हैं. Well, now I'll prime my skin with a little bit of primer. This is very beautiful, soft, lightweight formulation, which perfects the appearance of fine lines and helps closes the pores, and your makeup stays for a longer time and it looks very smooth also. Some makeup artists do not use a primer because they think it's a barrier between a foundation and your skin, but I will highly recommend this primer. Well, this is 3-in-1 concealer, contour and foundation. Though I've never used a concealer as, I feel that I've got swollen eye bags, and then when I use a concealer, I feel कि मेरी आंखें और नीचे से swollen लगती हैं and I don't even have dark circles. But today when I used it, I feel that just a touch of it is giving me a complete look. This sits beautifully under eyes and covers blemishes also. If you spread it well, then the finish is going to be very natural looking. Well, now the foundation which I'm going to use is Serum Foundation, rich in vitamin and mineral. It allows the skin surface to breathe completely and it has a very soft texture. I feel this is a perfect match for my skin and I'm trying to keep it as natural as possible, and I will blend it to the hairline so there are no harsh lines on my face. I can do it with the brush ke saath, or maybe I can use a beauty blender also, and sometimes I simply blend it with my fingers also. I'm using their long wearing cream eyeshadow now, which is known to give matte metallic finish with vitamin E waterproof formula, and it comes in 4 shades, and the one which I'm using is very peachy in color. मैं इसको आज जो यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो मैं एज एन आई बेस या एज ए आई प्राइमर भी यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज जब मैं इसके ऊपर ब्राउन शेड यूज़ करूँगी तो इट विल गिव मी अ वेरी इंटेंस फिनिश. Now I will be using their brown shade from their eyeshadow kit. So these shadows are highly pigmented and gave me just the kind of look I wanted to achieve. I have done a very subtle socket line with a darker shade, but it's very blended and not showing any lines. I'm going to use their marker liner, which is jet black in color, and it's very easy to apply. I will be using it very close to the base of the lashes and will fill the gaps in between as well. So it is slightly thicker at the end, but no flick or wink. Moving on to the mascara, I'm using this HD Volume Ultra Black Mascara, which is so effective in intensifying and widening the eyes. It gives you that perfect lift and volume, and it's intensely black that does it all. Lastly, I'm going to use this lighter brown shade under my eye to give it a more enhanced look. Next, I'm using their Top Face Eyebrow Gel with argan oil and sweet almond oil to shape up my eyebrows, and the brush which I'm using is also Bonanza Satrangi's eyebrow brush. I'm using their Skin Twin Perfect Stick Contour, which comes in 3 shades. It gives my skin some definition, and it is always easier to blend a creamy texture, and you can always build it up. Creamy contour always gives a more natural, subtle finish, but you can always use a powder contour on top of it to further intensify. So now guys, I'm using their hydrating powder for silky finish and to fix my base, and it minimizes the appearance of fine lines. मैं अपना ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यूज़ कर रही हूँ, लेकिन अगर आप चाहें तो आप इसको अपना ब्रश भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और अगर आप चाहें तो कोई स्पॉन्ज से भी इसको सेट कर सकते हैं. I'm using Top Face Bake Choice Rich Touch Blush On. There's nothing like a sweep of blush to make your makeup pop and lift your complexion. This is such a beautiful blendable and buildable blusher, so you can look as flushed as you like. It is highly pigment and yet it gives a very soft finish. Well, I'm going to highlight my face with this Bake Choice Rich Touch highlighter, and I'm applying it on the high points of my face, and this product gives the perfect amount of glow, and this highlighter is also very well pigmented and works amazingly on all type of skin. Lastly, to make my lips stand out, I'm using Topps Face Matte Lipstick in shade Warm Vanilla. Although the lipstick is matte, the texture is so hydrating and the application is so smooth. It's strongly pigmented and the matte formula feels so comfortable, weightless and long-lasting. I choose this color as this complements my overall look, and this color is kind of my go-to color. Well, to give a final touch, I'm using their perfume Dastan. So guys, this was my final look with Bonanza Satrangi's beauty line Topps Face. I absolutely loved and enjoy using their products, and I highly recommend them to you. Check out their official page on Instagram. It's Bonanza Satrangi Beauty, and enjoy shopping. Look beautiful and stay tuned for lots more.